Learn to make diamonds and jewelry on Cinema 4D for beginners, from the model stage to the final rendering. We start with a simple sphere, then we change the type of bits to suit the diamond shape, then we reduce the number of divisions to 10, and we also delete the tag fong. FFD is a tool that helps distort shapes using points and a simple grid. Drag and drop points horizontally and vertically to create a beautiful diamond. A single point or group of points can be moved on a single plane. This way, we create multiple diamond shapes depending on the distortion or movement of the nodes in FFD. More than one method can be used to create the diamond shape, but this is a simple and quick method for our example. It's recommended to keep a copy for later modifications if you want to create a new diamond shape. Now the diamond is ready to apply the appropriate materials and lighting, also settings to make it look its best. Create a L-shaped background for later rendering with rounded corners using Bezier. There are many ways to create a floor like this, you can use any of them, but I found this method easy for you to control whenever you want. Making the back wall of the floor will help us bounce the light source and distribute it on the diamond to show a refraction that matches the base of the jewelry. Expand a little to fit 4 diamonds later. Now we'll start adding the basic components to prepare for rendering. Lighting is the most important component, so we add a focused light with a target direction element or a center of light beam projection onto the diamond. We adjust the lighting from the right or at whatever angle you see fit. Then we deselect the diffusion setting to achieve a dark background and increase the lighting intensity to 225 to make the diamond appear strong and the internal refractions contrast. The rendering settings are very important. We include global illumination with QMC, the source beam creation power at 200. And the secondary beam creation option, irradiance cache, at 100. The rest of the settings are clear to you in this section. It is recommended to set these numbers and settings accurately to get the same results. We also include the caustics option, which causes the refracted light photons from the diamond to fall onto the ground, giving a realistic feel to the diamond when exposed to direct light. For quick rendering and preview, we create settings as shown on the screen. To make the rendering accurate for the final stage, we specify the options shown in front of you with numbers. Insert the same numbers and same options without changing them for this example. If you want to change them later for training, you can try to identify them and preview the results on another project. Adding a sky is a fundamental component just like lighting, and through it we add an HDRI map consisting of an image with white spaces that send a beam of light around the entire 360-degree perimeter of the scene, which generates reflections and refractions on the diamond and any reflective surface that receives it. The ground material is simple and is a color with reflection set exactly to the values shown. Now the important material in this lesson is the diamond material. You can apply the same values shown to you or watch these two videos on my channel. You can get the links in the description box. And in them the material settings are manually, and the result is the same with changing the diamond color from white to blue, green, and purple. We will start by previewing the render using the material. To do this, we will choose the interactive renderer, which gives fast results that are very close to the real render. Sometimes we need to change the direction of the HDRI to get the best reflection, and this depends on the type of HDRI. It is very important to activate the caustics option from the basic lighting of the scene so that the results appear clearly on the ground during rendering, as we see. Some effects are important for scene details, such as adding hard edges or emphasizing the edge of a diamond using bevel. Follow the same steps for perfect results. I have placed 4 diamonds to save time, and now we will start a quick render preview and then a full render of the project, and we will see the results together. Choose the HD render settings that we created at the beginning of the lesson, and we will adjust some numbers to make it perfectly suitable for this step.